Hello guys, it's me Carlos Santos, and I'm doing a new season NASCAR Heat 3 career mode, and welcome to the Camping World Truck Series. So, I'm gonna relax and enjoy my strong run to the front. So, sit back and enjoy the race. They won't copyright my the music background if it's only 15 or more seconds. Or less seconds, but if it's more than like that, 15 or more, then they'll take off your videos. So just to put that out there for those that want to make new YouTube videos for yourself. So be careful. YouTube's on you. So I'm here just gonna sit around in the back until I get a decent run. Feeling the eye of the storm, you know. Nothing really happening for me. It's just in the back trying to make some daring moves. And looks like I'll finish dead last in stage 1. You see how I'm losing the ending portion of the lead pack? Man, it's like I'm losing the draft. Really, that happens at Daytona with one of the back markers. So. And here I come to turn number 4 Daytona International Speedway, and the stage is over. And because my goal is to get the top 25, I will skip stage 2. Let's see if I can make. Yep. As you can see in that screenshot, didn't go too well. It's pointless if you're running way slower than everybody else, you know. This is show 1 minute to see if I can actually snap a draft and not finish dead last like every other YouTuber. In one of the later clips, I might not say might. I have actually been dead last at Talladega because I was trying to make sure I'm not wide open, or should I say wide open, so the foul just doesn't get so sticky. And you know when you hold the throttle wide open, the oil pressure gets a little bit hot, and you can't really like suck up to the car ahead of you. Well, that happened to me, so because of the oil pressure, I had to back 2 car lengths from the truck ahead of me, and it went backwards. So there you have it, guys. That's a short video clip of me running my first truck race at Daytona. Bye.